Hi, happy Wednesday. We've made it through the middle of the week and we're here to do some working with sounds again. We'll start with rhyming words. Thumbs up if they rhyme, thumbs down if they don't. Crunch, brunch. Drill, grill. Grin, groan. Bread, Fred. Track, crack. Crust, trust. Red, tread. Brain, brick. Grill, frill. Mess, dress. Next, we're going to say the first sound in the word. It's going to be the sound that has the R sound at the end of it. So you're listening for what's called the onset. So if there's a grown-up watching with you, you can tell them that the onset is what comes before the vowel sound in the word. So if we're saying the word frog, you say fur, because that comes before the ah in frog. So you say, I say frog, you say fur. Ready? Grin. Track. Bring. Crunch. Drop. Front. Pretty. Trust. Prom. Grip. Nice work. Next, you're going to blend the two parts. So I'm giving you the onset, the part before the vowel, and then the vowel and everything that comes after it. So I'll give you two parts. You say the word. Ip. Ud. Am. Ift. Anch. Ept. Unch. App. All right, and next we're going to listen for the last sound. So just like on Monday, I'm going to give you 3 words. You tell me what's the last sound. It's going to be the same in all 3 words. So I'll just say the words, you say the last sound in them. Strike, cheek, oak. Big, slug, flag. Flab, rob, crab. Rough, whiff, bluff. Drape, rope, clap. Meat, plate, frost. Smell, tall, smile. Slim, time, same. Tough, stuff, off. Now it's your turn to break a word into its onset and rhyme. So the beginning sounds with that R sound in it, and then the rest of the word. So let's do one together. Brush, ush. Your turn. Crust, tram, drench, grim, trash, brisk, crush, grant, trust. Nice job. Now we'll change the beginning sound. So I'll give you the word and we'll take away the beginning sound and change it to something else. Say crunch, change cr to brr. Say drop, change dr to pr. Say trust, change tr to cr. Say grip, change gr to dr. Say draft, change dr to gr. Say crush, change cr to br. Say drank, change dr to pull. Now we'll add some sounds to the beginning and make a word. So say rack, add t. Say add dr. Say rush, add k. Say ash, add cur. Say and, add burr. Lastly, we're going to take away the beginning sound and see what's left behind. So say trust, take away t. Say friend, take away fur. Say grin, take away gr. Say trip, take away t. Say gramps, take away gr. Nice job. I hope that you're saying everything very clearly and hearing it. And if you're not getting all the sounds perfectly, that's okay. We practice this very often so that you can get better and better each time you do it. I'll see you again with this activity on Friday. Tomorrow we'll be doing making words.